Guys, let's start the rot maxing. We got a long day ahead of us. A large list of posts from you guys in the Discord. So we'll check it out. Dinner with Jesus or
Have dinner with Jesus or save the slaves.
Oh, shit.
Uh-huh.
What if you had dinner with Jesus and he
Save the slaves. Oh, you thinking outside the box.
He's a miracle worker, ain't he?
Oh, gang. Would you rather have dinner with Jesus?
Okay. This is half my chat. This is where you guys are from. Hate from Saturn.
Hey everybody, Haley back again. We are now on the river, but I'm gonna go off the river and see what everybody around the shop is up to. Let's go check it out.
Oh,
Hey everybody,
shit.
Haley back again. Let's go check it out.
Oh, fuck. Holy shit.
Hey Haley, thank you so much for having me on the show. I've always wanted Hawk Tua and I'm sorry, what's that? You want to give Hawk Tua to me?
Dude. AI has to stop now.
You know, I'm also a Hawk enthusiast. Do you want me to give you Hawk Tua? Yeah? How are you? Haley, thanks so much for having me.
This is my impression of Donald Duck getting the best head ever from Stephen Hawking.
This is my impression of Donald Duck getting the best head ever from Stephen Hawking. This is my impression.
Bro thought I was new. Dude, I thought being good at WoW PvP was unimpressive, but this has to be like the most worthless skill to have. Being good at worms. What is that?
Like a stream, 100 megabytes of memory. He has big forehead.
Man, he does have a big forehead, huh?
Goes brains vertical, no matter who he races, he gonna have a head start. Frontal globe, programmers want
Is this photoshopped or is it actually real?
Barber stands on the second floor. Why can you still see his
Barber stands on second floor is crazy.
He got a lot of told to hold that force. Before it reaches his eyes, he needs bangs. Rain freeze will cause a night. I wonder what time zone his forehead's in. On which when he is facing, those starts every sentence that I know. To portrait lawyers, and the previous.
Yo, that's one of the best.
He's got a contagious laugh.
I'm gonna hook up your mustache all fierce, man, right now.
That's
fool.
funny.
Check it out, fool. Little touch here. This one I call fucking divide and conquer, homie.
Bro, what the fuck is this?
Segregation, homie. Gotta keep them separated. Catch a little fade here. Catch a little fade there. Just give your stash a little divorce, homie. Those fools are beefing it right now. Gonna get you all fucking ready for the ball, homie. What's cranking? Oh shit, the big homie Zorro, homie. The fucking big homie Cantinflas, homie. Fucking mustache looks like a stealth bomber, homie. You're gonna be getting all the bitches.
All the bitches. Yo, is there any ladies that find this attractive? I don't know. I think that's an L. I think his normal one looked better. Bro was right, but at what
On a scale
cost?
of 1 to 10, how beautiful do you think you are?
I'll give her a 7, maybe an 8.
I don't know, maybe an 8.
No!
A convenience store employee who is learning English answers.
I'm going to die in 2 weeks. Oh, very nice.
Bro, she doesn't know what she read, man.
I'm going to die in 2 weeks. Oh, very nice.
Bro, what is you doing? Who lets their mom cut their hair? Bro, I personally will never let my mom cut. Who lets their mom cut their hair? Bro, I personally will never let my mom cut.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, Joel. I'm here and ready to chat. What's on your mind today?
Whoa, that's really cool. I'm excited to test out voice mode.
Awesome. I'm excited too. How's the voice mode experience for you so far?
It's going good, but it would be really even cooler if you could talk in Jamaican patois.
No problem, me brother. Me can chat you in a patois all day long. What you want for reason, boy?
Whoa, that's really good. Which part of Jamaica are you from?
Me not actually from Jamaica, but me love the culture and the language.
Whoa, you sure you're not from here?
Me swear, me day I fi help and chat with you in any way me can.
What?
If you have anything you want to talk about or ask, me ready.
Man, AI is so strong.
A push-up for every follower. I have 1 follower.
Oh my fucking god, this kid's gonna die.
So that means 1 push-up. Just to clarify, I will still be doing a challenge. I'll be walking 23,000 inches.
Once again, Germany took a huge L in this war. Adolf thought he did something for real skull emoji. However, bro got absolutely cooked by British forces. W in the chat. For United Kingdom. Once again.
Dude, this is how people are gonna talk in 100 years. Alright, well, that's the wrap of it, guys. If you wanna post more videos on Rot Maxing, join the Discord, and we'll check it out next Saturday. Every Saturday, boys.